So we're here in Aber, Switzerland to shoot my Ice Nights project. I had the idea a couple months ago on a recent Himalaya trip with Alex Luger and Bernd Seingel, and we did some night shots with Bernd climbing a high ball with flashes, and it was just amazing. So the idea came to my head to do this with ice climbing. Alex told us about this location right beside a bridge, so we can work really easily with the flashes and be really flexible. I connected with Broncolor for some flash equipment, and they've provided us with the brand new Move 1200. We're going to use 3 of those units to light up the whole ice fall, going studio style outdoors, so it should be amazing. Yeah, there's quite a few photographers shooting climbing on outdoor or ice climbing, but most of it is shot with natural light then and with minimal equipment. But in this case, I'm trying to bring it all together. We got in touch with Phase 1 and they've sent down the IQ 180 with a 645 DF. So we're going to make some big pictures. Not too shabby. 20-30 meters of air under the ass. So I'll come down and chat with you in a minute. Hey Alex, good to see you. Okay, so let's go check it out.
Yeah, it's actually so.
Super nice location. Gives us a lot of possibility here to work with our flashes. We're gonna have one flash maybe from this tree, a guy hanging out with a pole.
Yeah.
And that's going to flash down, so it might be a bit in your eyes. You're going to have to tell us. We want to try to put maybe a flash behind the ice. Yeah, and then I'm going to have, just for the last flash, we've had it over there, but I think I'm going to move it in so that I actually bring the other flash from over here somewhere underneath the bridge.
But if you shoot here and it's still okay when I climb the center
The other
pillar?
one. Yeah, that would be the plan. I thought you just climb a center pillar.
Okay, yeah.
And then we get you like popping out from the ice. So it's starting to get colder right now, the sun is dropping out. We're just going to wait until it gets dark and then start shooting.